Hi, welcome to my unboxing. This is the 13-inch MacBook Pro Space Gray with the M1 chip, 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU, 16-core neural engine, 16GB unified memory, 1TB SSD storage. When purchasing this, I went on and put in all custom stuff that would fit me and my needs as a student and YouTuber that edits my own videos. This is quite the step up from my 8-year-old 2012 Mac Mini, so I'm really excited to open this. So let's get right into it. Wow. Okay. Plastic wrap. She's beautiful. Oh my god, wow, okay. So there's that. Then when you pick out this little thing, you got all the info, and the sticker is Space Gray to match it. Isn't that cool? Space Gray sticker and info. Let me tuck all this back in, please. And then the charger. That tore ugly. Why is this stiff? I don't like that. Just charger cord. I don't think there's anything under this. Oh, let me check. Yeah, I can't get that up. Okay, this is my MacBook. This is literally mine. I totally forgot they put the startup sound back. That was so exciting. I love that. Touch bar lights up. This is so pretty. I'm so excited for that startup sound. Hello? Okay. English. I don't know what that does. I don't know what I just did. Hey Siri. Hey Siri, open the documents folder. This feels so formal. Hey Siri, show my downloads. I didn't know this was an option. I'm gonna go with dark. I believe that's better for your battery life. She's set up. Okay, now for the true test. Wow, that is fast. I literally just got this. Why are there updates? Okay, keyboard, really nice. This is really nice. I really like the touch. Okay, literally look how. Beautiful. This is my brand new MacBook Pro with the M1 chip and setup. I will definitely be talking about it more once I've gotten used to it. And if you commonly watch my channel, you might notice that I'm in a weird spot for filming that I don't usually film in, but actually my my space where my desk is under construction, and I'm changing things up a little bit, which will include this, and I'll be doing a video on it later, so stay tuned to see how I update my office space and fit this into it. I've got a bunch of new stuff and cool things, and like a laptop stand and a fancy keyboard I can use with this, so stay tuned for that. Let me know if you want a video like on how I customize this, or just a review later on, because I do edit with Premiere Pro, and I've heard that it's really hard to edit with Premiere Pro on this, and I might end up switching to Final Cut. We'll have to see. Let me know if you want to hear about that in a video. But thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know the videos you want to see from me. Bye!
Heard you say I'm not the baddest, but you lie. It ain't my fault.